question on the board. Shalom Kololaf, question about Shabbat. If one is from a culture commonly squeezing watermelon for juice, and now the person is living in a place, this is uncommon. Does the melacha of sechita apply on watermelon for him?
No. So if a person moves permanently, so if person moves permanently to a new place, so he becomes a resident. So permanently means that he signed or she signed a 1 year contract, for example, bought apartment. I don't know, some serious things. So it shows that you become like resident of this town. So and since it's like it's rabbinical, upon rabbinical side, it's not like a biblical thing. So for sure, you have to adopt the customs of the place, right? So of course, like anything else, if you want to go like stringent ways, and you can do it only in the privacy of your house. But remember that the community at large, they actually don't hold by this opinion, and they can squeeze. So that's very important. Not to do it in everybody's face. Understand?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.